We will in this video briefly go over the different messaging types and what it looks like on RCS. Conversation API supports text, media, card, carousel, list, location, and choice messages on all the 13 Sinch-supported channels. And you can use the same message format to send the same message to all the channels. This is why we call it Omnichannel Messaging. Each channel has its strengths and benefits to support meaningful interactions between businesses and customers. Let's see what you can send and what it looks like on RCS. Using our Postman collection and configuring it with your Sinch dashboard app makes it easy to send messages. We can naturally send text messages, and a media message only requires an URL. Leveraging RCS allows us to suggest replies with choices. We can also send card messages with a variety of media heights and numbers of buttons. And the same goes for carousel messages, which allows for multiple cards all in one. Apart from suggesting responses, each button can also open websites, call a number, or point out a place on a map. To learn how to configure and start using Sinch Conversation API, you can check out our videos on our developers and community pages.